Dubai chocolate has a reputation: luxury, gold, expensive, over the top. But here's the twist: depending on what's inside, a Dubai-style chocolate can actually be one of the smarter sweet treats you can eat. Today, I'm breaking down what Dubai chocolate is, what makes it different, and how to enjoy it in a way that supports your health, not sabotages it. Dubai chocolate isn't one single recipe. It's a style. Usually it means premium chocolate, often dark, paired with ingredients popular across the Gulf region, like dates, pistachios and almonds, saffron, cardamom, tahini or sesame, sometimes even camel milk chocolate. And compared to typical candy bars, these add-ins can change the nutrition story a lot. Let's start with the foundation: cocoa. Real dark chocolate, especially 70% cacao and up, is rich in compounds called flavanols, which are antioxidants. Here's what research commonly associates flavanol-rich cocoa with: better blood flow and heart support, lower inflammation markers, possible benefits to brain function and mood. But there's a catch: the more sugar and the more processing, the less of those benefits you're likely to get. Where Dubai chocolate really stands out is the ingredient pairing. 1. Dates. Sweet plus fiber. Dates taste like candy, but they bring fiber, slow sugar spikes, potassium and magnesium. Natural sweetness, so you may need less added sugar. 2. Pistachios and almonds. Healthy fats plus protein. Nuts add monounsaturated fats, heart-friendly, protein and fiber for satiety. Meaning, you feel satisfied faster and snack less. 3. Tahini and sesame. Minerals plus good fats. Tahini adds calcium, iron, healthy fats that also help keep you full. 4. Spices like cardamom and saffron. These are used in small amounts, but they're traditionally valued for digestion and wellness, and they can make chocolate taste richer without needing extra sugar. So when you combine dark chocolate plus nuts plus dates plus spices, you end up with a treat that can be more satisfying, more nutrient-dense, and easier to portion than a typical candy bar. Now, important reality check. Chocolate is still calorie-dense. Even the fancy stuff, Dubai chocolate, can become unhealthy when it's milk chocolate with lots of added sugar. It's filled with caramel, syrups, or sugary creams. Portions are huge because it feels premium, so we underestimate it. Here's the smarter way to think about it. Choose the version with more cocoa. Look for nuts and dates over sugary fillings. Keep portions intentional. If you want the health upside without the sugar crash, try these simple strategies. Tip number 1. Pair it after a balanced meal. Eating chocolate after protein plus fiber reduces the spike compared to eating it alone. Tip number 2. Use it as a finisher, not a snack spiral. Instead of mindlessly snacking, treat it like a planned dessert. 1 to 2 squares of dark chocolate or 1 date stuffed with pistachios dipped in dark chocolate. Tip number 3. Watch ingredients like a label detective. Look for cocoa mass, cacao near the top, low added sugar, real add-ins, pistachio, almond, sesame, date. Be cautious with glucose syrup, vegetable oils, artificial flavors, sugar, listed first. Tip number 4. Let the flavor do the work. Dubai-style chocolate often uses spices like cardamom or saffron. Those flavors make small portions feel special. Camel milk chocolate is another Dubai famous item. Camel milk can have a different nutrient profile than cow's milk. Some people find it easier to digest. But once it becomes a chocolate bar, the health impact still comes down to how much sugar, how much cocoa, portion size. So camel milk chocolate can be a fun option, but it's not automatically health food. If I had to rank Dubai chocolate options from best to treat only, here's a simple guide. Best choice: 70 to 85% dark chocolate with pistachios, almonds and minimal sugar. Great choice: dark chocolate with dates. Watch total portion because dates are energy dense. Okay choice: occasionally, milk chocolate with nuts. Usually more sugar. Treat only: filled chocolates with syrups, creams, caramel layers, or extra sugar dusting. Dubai chocolate isn't healthy because it's luxurious. It can be healthier because of what it's made with and how you eat it. More cocoa, smart add-ins like nuts and dates, and intentional portions. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and tell me, what's your favorite Dubai chocolate flavor? Pistachio, saffron, cardamom, or classic dark?